Hello world, here is Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. And guys, today we will check together here Bitcoin. Let's talk about Bitcoin, what's going on with Bitcoin for today, for tomorrow, for next week, for next year, and for the future. No, seriously guys, here is CoinMarketCap, here is Bitcoin. Momently you can see it, Bitcoin is on 24 hours, 2.2% up going here, and on 7 days, 8% in the minus. And you can see it here, still our trend, our chart is bearish, guys. Yes, I know, pumping, but for the last 7 days it's red, it's bearish. The Ethereum for the day is in a plus with 2.4%, and on 7 days a minus about 12%, also bearish. Only AIDA, look at this, here is a bullish chart, it's going to the upside, and momently today a minus about 3.3%, but in the week, look at this, AIDA 28% in the plus. Binance Coin minus 2% on the daily. What's going on here? Polkadot minus about 3.8%. XRP a plus. Polkadot a plus about 3.8%, XRP a plus about 2.3%, but XRP a minus about 21%. Look at this here on the chart for XRP for the weekly here. Litecoin is going up with 6.9%, Chainlink is going up with 10%, and Stellar in the top 10 now with 2% in the plus. Bitcoin Cash on place 11 with 13% in the plus. Let's take a look about Doge. Doge is pumping today with 9% in the plus, very interesting. XMR 7%, it's in a minus 0.2%, and so on and so on and so on. Now here is the TA for Bitcoin, and you can see it, guys, on 15 minutes everything is bullish, strong buy on the summary and strong buy on the moving averages. Oscillators are neutral. On the 1 hourly, the same picture, strong buy on the 1 hourly here, buy and strong buy. On the 4 hour, buy that Bitcoin, a bullish thing here, oscillators bullish buy, summary buy, moving averages buy. On the daily also buy, strong buy. So TA on TradingView is very, very bullish for Bitcoin on all time frames. Doesn't matter 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, or 1 day. Everything is extreme bullish. Now guys, let's check Bitcoin for the daily. This is the daily chart for Bitcoin without any drawings, without any things. And yes, today I would like to show you something. Today I would like to show you the MA21. We are always looking about the EMA 200, that's the yellow line here on the downside, okay, but today we will make something new here, the EMA 21. Why? I will activate it, and you can see it, guys, the MA, the moving average 21 here on the daily chart is very, very important for us for resistance or for support. And yes, guys, momently you can see it, we have the MA21, that big fat line here, that orange line here, and it's momently a resistance. You can see it. I zoom in a little bit, and yes, it's acting momently as a resistance. You can see it here. Also, here it was a resistance. It spiked through, again a resistance, and with this candle, the daily candle, it turned into a support. And from this point, for the bullish moment here, it was a support. Here spiked through, support, spiked through, and with this candle, it broke this resistance or support in this opinion. So, but now it is a resistance, guys. We are on the daily, and you can see it, guys. Bitcoin is showing reaction here on this MA21. The MA21 is a very important moving average on the bigger time frame, on the daily time frame. It's also here a support or resistance. And now let's check this. You can see we are over the ribbon band, very bullish over the ribbon band, but we are fighting momently against the MA21, and as long as we are under this MA21, it's bearish. We must fight this MA21, and we must fight it to the upper side, so the MA is our support and Bitcoin can go to moon again. But as long you see it here, Bitcoin is showing reaction, it's bearish. Okay guys, that's the first thing. The next thing, let's check the MACD. What's going on with the MACD? And the MACD is bearish momently. Look at this. Here was the crossing. It's going down, and the blue line is under the brown line, and that's a bearish thing. No crossing. It is bullish. If the blue line will cross the brown line, then it's bullish, but momently it's bearish. So MACD is bearish, fighting over the ribbon band on a daily chart, bullish, but fighting against the MA21 bearish. Okay guys, let's check now the 4-hour chart. Let's go deeper. But before we make that, no, we are going back here to Bitcoin. I would like to show you something here. Let's take this chart because here are some drawings from yesterday. And I would like to show you the 4-hour chart drawings from yesterday. And that's a better thing. So we do not need to draw it. We have all here. And guys, yesterday I showed you something. We have a big problem. I showed you yesterday with this red, we can erase that, with this red line. That's the middle line of an uptrend. A lot of other guys or TA guys are not confirming that. A lot of these guys think this is not an important line. It's not important resistance or support. But guys, you can see it for yourself. This red line here is acting always, this blue dotted line here in this opinion is acting always very, very important. Here it was support, 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 then again support, and then Bitcoin spiked through this line, and now from this point here, it's acting as a resistance. Here spiked again, resistance, spiked again. So you can look at it with your own eyes. It's very, very, very a very important line here for me for trading, and I use it always. Momently, I'm still bearish because we are under this line and not over this red line. For the next thing, guys, we have our ABC correction. And yes, this B we drew yesterday was this point here, B. Exactly as predicted. No, sorry, guys. But now for the TA, we should see point C. In my opinion, it's very possible to see point C if this is the ABC correction. And I think, guys, maybe it is. Very interesting. Maybe, and that's the thing, this B was not B, and we are going higher and higher and higher, and B is maybe like this. But then we should see maybe a C correction again. So in my opinion, very, very important, the ABC correction. And I'm waiting for the point C, for the downgoing point here. On the 4-hour chart, you can see it very nice. Okay, 4-hour chart, we are fighting over this ribbon, very cool. We are fighting under this middle line, not so cool. And we are still short here, guys. We have still a red ribbon band. You can see it here. We have no long position for the moment on the 4-hour chart. RSI, you can see it from the downside here. RSI is in the middle of this line. Everything is nice. But I would like to show you something more here on the 1-hour chart. And that's a very important thing in my opinion here. You can see it. We have the Bitcoin price, or Bitcoin is over the ribbon band, and the 1-hour chart, you can see it, we are in a long position. We are over this ribbon band. It's a green ribbon band here, and the long position on the 1-hour chart was on this point. And you can see it, yes, the EMA 200 is now our friend, it's now our support. It's supporting Bitcoin here, and yes, Bitcoin is showing reaction on this. You can see it here. It tested the EMA 200 line here for a time, here for a time, and you can see it also here. It tested, here was it as resistance. It spiked through over this line, spiked down, but not confirmed going under this line, and now it's a big support here. And yes, that's the main thing for the 1-hour chart. This sideways going for Bitcoin is very clear because of this big resistance, the red resistance, and over the ribbon band, over the EMA 200, the fight is very, very interesting for the next hours. I think maybe we should see a big breakout to the upside or to the downside, maybe in the next hours. And yes, guys, I would like to show you something more here, because my member here on my Bitcoin Trading Informant live channel, my member Leishani, told me today, Biti, attention, is this maybe a shoulder head shoulder? And yes, guys, take a look about this. This is the 15-minute chart here on my Twitch stream. I am streaming on Twitch and YouTube. Also, it's the Twitch stream. And here you can see we have here maybe a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder. And if this is a shoulder, head, shoulder, I will try to show you. You see it here. This yellow line is the bottom line. This line here is the target. And if we are breaking down here, we are on 46,000. So that's the technical target for this shoulder, head, shoulder pattern, if you are breaking it down. And guys, it's very, very important to break it down confirmed. For all guys, they don't know what is confirmed. I have a video on my channel. I have a video on my channel, confirmed breakout. Take a look about this. And for all guys that would like to know more about shoulder head shoulder, I have a video on my channel. It's named shoulder head shoulder. Very easy. So that's here the thing. Guys, something else I would like to show you. Here is the 4-hourly chart for Bitcoin. You see this red dot line here. That's the middle line. That's the resistance momently of the 4-hour chart of the uptrend. And also you can see here on the left side, we have here the Bitcoin 1-day chart, and here is the MA21, this line. That's the big resistance I told you. So guys, on this channel here, on this live stream, that's always updated 26 hours a day, 12 days a week. It's always updated. I'm always there. I never sleep. And you can ask me questions if you would like to know something. Very nice community there, very nice guys there, and they would be happy to help you also, I think. So join our channel, Bitcoin Trading Informant, on Twitch or on YouTube live. Okay guys, back to the TA, and here we are. So guys, the 4-hour chart for Bitcoin is this one here, and that's the 1-hour chart. And yes, this is maybe, I can show you again here, the shoulder head shoulder. We can make a quick draw about the shoulder head shoulder, and I can show you the target once more. Here's maybe a shoulder, here's maybe a head, here's maybe a shoulder, and very quick here, this is, in my opinion here, a good baseline for this shoulder head shoulder. And it's always important, the highest point of the head to the baseline like this, and a line from this to this. If you're breaking to the downside of this shoulder head shoulder is a bearish sign, a bearish pattern. We have a new target, and the new target with the price level is here 46,400 in this price region. That's our target if you are breaking down. But yes guys, you see it, if we would break down, we have here the ribbon band as big support. We have the EMA 200 as big support, a lot of big supports here for the 1-hour chart to break down. Okay guys, that's it for a quick overview for Bitcoin, for the quick TA for today. Sounds funny, quick TA for today. Big support if you are breaking down this, and if it's going down more, we have the next big support that was this low here, 42,800. If it's going down more, and yes guys, you know it, very important for the next time, this is the resistance, this is the place to be, 49,500. As long as we are not over 50,000, I'm not so bullish, because we need to fight against this resistance line. That's very important. We need a confirmed breakout over this resistance line, then everything would be nice for the next pump to the moon. Maybe we will see soon new all-time highs if it's going up from here. Next big resistance was the last all-time high here, about this line here. That's the next big resistance. Resistance is always red, and we can make a price level to this. It's this point. So guys, 48,000 is the next big resistance, and we have another big resistance. If we can spike over this, it's this point here. It's the upline of this channel, 60,000, 65,000. So that's it guys. With this information you can make millions. I hope so. I'm not a financial advisor, but if you're breaking down, you see it, you can enter the trade here. Maybe you can go to a short trade. You need a confirmed breakout, guys, very important. We can make a short trade from 48,000 to 46,300 maybe, or you can let the short trade open, and maybe it's going down a little bit more, 42,000. That's the next trading opinion here. You can make it leverage, so you can make it X10 or X100. You can make the trade on Binance. Also, if you are trading on Binance, please use my Binance link. It will support me, my referral link. And yes, guys, that's it for today. I wish you the best of luck. I wish you make millions, guys. Greetings. Have a nice time. Yours, BT, yours Bitcoin Trading Informant. Bye-bye.